just a quick one to show a bit of the laser cleaning. Got a job in to rebore, line bore this excavator head. Is going onto a subsea tool. Obviously it's really rather rusty, so I'm going to use the laser cleaning function of one of my lasers, and we'll go through and just to show what it's capable of. I've also got a few other smaller, more common items that will go on. So that's a wheel carrier from an old VW camper van, but obviously it's galvanized, it's got paint on, so we'll do a bit of paint at low power. An old Conrad focus, it's got a bit of kind of flash rust on there, so the lower power setting, just to kind of show what it can do. I've made a little laser pit because it's alarmingly good at going through stuff. So probably do some lower power ones first, and then we'll do a bit on the big one just to show the power that it's got. So for example, on the piston there, this is at 35% power. It's a 1.5 kilowatt machine. Okay, so that's that one. That will be hot. So bear with me a second. So yeah, the flash rust is kind of all gone. Even in that brief, there you go. There's a bit that we didn't do. Even in that brief little time there, so you can see how for things like molds and injection molds and kind of industrial things, industrial process more than kind of light car bodywork for this, just because it's a continuous laser, not a pulsed laser. I'll aim to get the paint, maybe the galv off. That's a common kind of usage, I guess. I'll keep the 35 and we'll see what it does. Yeah, didn't really touch the paint, started to touch the galv, and obviously the corrosion's gone, so if we jack the power up a little bit, we'll go 50%. Yeah, it's starting to take the paint off there. You see, it's probably not ideal for this kind of setup, but we'll give it a bit more power and we'll just blast it off anyway. 65%, give it a go. There you go, so that's done that job. It's not, it's not really refined enough. I mean, it does the job for an industrial thing. If you were stripping a machine or a piece of plant or some offshore equipment, which is what I've got it for, is like kind of offshore subsea. We'll hit this and we'll do a bit of the old rust removal on this just to show. Still at 65, it might even be too high. We'll give it go somewhere less obvious. Yeah, that's probably too high. Knock it down. back to 35. I'll do 100mm on the width. So our beam width will be 100mm. There you go, you see what we've got there. So it isn't all gone, but obviously as the first pass has taken away a lot of the heavy corrosion that was sitting on there. Again, it's perfect for heavy plant, heavy structural material. That's probably 20mm thick, 15-20mm thick. Stand by. Yeah, that's about 20mm thick. Focus your fuck. So perfect for that, even at low power, so that's 35%. Same as we dusted onto the comb rod there. So yeah, perfect little demonstration, happy days.